Hey, what's up? This is Tyler. In this video I will unbox the smartwatch called ZGPAX S28 with built-in SIM card, MTK6260 and a 1.54 inch screen. I ordered this smartwatch on gearbest.com. As always, take a look below in the video description for all the details. Right now it's possible to get with an extra special discount, so the price is super low. Check it out on my blog. So now to the unboxing. So as you can see here, it's really well protected, so nothing can happen. A lot of bubble plast here. And here we have the box. We see it says Smartwatch on the front. We see here showing fashion, smartwatch for smart life. So on this side we see it comes in different colors. Actually, seems it exists in white, black, blue and red. And here we also see this model comes in golden and silver, and this should be the silver version. And here are some other models from ZGPAX. And here we see some of the languages that's supported and the charger. So it looks really nice. And it's also sealed, I can see here. Let's open up. So here we have the watch. First let me put this aside. Let us take a look what we else got here. And here we see the battery, and the battery we see here is 450 milliampere, 3.7 volt. So that's really nice. This is integrated into the back cover here. Then we have the USB, the micro USB cable here. Also we got here the wall charger, and the wall charger here is a 5.2 volt. Then we got some headphones, and here we see the headphones here, and this one uses the micro USB port. And last but not least we have the user manual, watch phone user manual, and this one is in English. So let us take a closer look to the watch. Let's remove all the plastic here. And here we have the watch, and right now there's a screen protector attached. We see that here. So it looks really nice, and from the temperature this feels like real metal. It's really cold here, so it looks nice. And we here in top see, I think this is maybe the speaker, or maybe we have the microphone. Have to check that. And here we have something that looks like a button. Maybe this is the home key. We have no keys here and no keys here. Unlike many other smartwatches, the ZGPAX S28 has a built-in SIM card and a SD card slot. So we can see that here on the back side here. So here we see you put in the SIM card, and this is the micro SIM. And here we can insert the micro SD. But still this watch is incredibly cheap. Okay, so let me now remove this screen protector because it's kind of annoying to have on. And here we see the screen here. So you can see the screen looks really nice. And here we see the bottom here again. we have this brushed finished metal look here. So on this side we have the micro USB, and we see here also this looks really nice here, and maybe you notice, but we have this texture. It's made of rubber, but feels like good quality actually. How you insert the battery, I think maybe you have to place it like this. Yeah. So you see here the thickness of the watch is a little bit thicker than other smartwatches, but not much. I would say it's okay. When you have it here, you don't notice that it's thicker. Actually, it's okay here. I think looks pretty good to me. So looks nice. So here we see the watch booted, and it booted really fast. So that's it for now. I will soon be back with a full review of this device and show all the nice features. If you have any questions, please comment below, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.